Welcome, students. We are discussing the chapter The Bond of Love. In the previous part, we have seen the activities of Bruno or Baba, or you can say Baby Bear. One incident that took place in the life of Bruno was seriously. He drank poison which was kept in the library in order to kill rats and mice. After this, the condition of Bruno was serious. He was not able to stand on his feet. Finally, the narrator consulted veterinary doctor. Doctor gave appropriate treatment. After this treatment, Bruno was able to stand on his feet. He was able to walk here and there freely. Second incident was that he drank gallon of old engine oil. There was no impact of this incident on Bruno. With the passage of time, family developed liking for Bruno. Bruno also developed liking for the family. Bruno followed the commands, orders given by the family members. So these things happen in the life of Bruno. The most important thing is that there was a deep relationship between narrator's wife and Bruno. After that, you see, then my son and I advised my wife, and friends advised her too to give Baba to the Jew at Masur. The reason is very clear why everyone suggested narrator's wife to give Baba to the Jew at Masur. The reason is very clear. Baba had grown up now. His size is huge. Most of the time he was chained. There is a possibility that Bruno may harm the children. This is the reason why most of the time he was chained. So everyone advised narrator's wife that she should give Baba to the Jew at Masur. He was getting too big to keep at home. After some weeks of such advice, she at last consented, means she agreed. She accepted the suggestions given by the family members and friends. Hastily, and before she could change her mind, a letter was written to the curator of the Jew. Curator here means a person in charge of the Jew. The person who is in charge of the Jew called curator. So letter was written to the curator of the Jew. Did he want a tame bear for his collection? He replied, yes. The letter was written to the curator, and curator had a desire to keep this tame bear. He replied, yes. The Jew sent a case from Masur in a lorry, a distance of 87 miles, and Baba was packed off. So in this section we see what was the advice given by narrator, son and friends to narrator's wife, that she should give Baba to the Jew at Masur because the size of Baba is too big and Baba could not be kept at home anymore. So finally, the letter was written to the curator of the Jew and the reply was in positive, in affirmative. Finally, the Jew sent a case from Masur and Baba was packed off. We all missed him greatly. Him here refers to Bruno. Now Bruno was sent to the Jew, but in a sense we were relieved. Meaning is this: the family members missed Bruno, but they also felt happy. They were relieved because the activities of Bruno had gone up. Means the activities of Bruno could not be bored anymore. My wife was inconsolable. She wept and fretted. She was in sorrow. Narrator's wife was in sorrow. She wept. She didn't console herself. For the first few days, she would not eat anything. So I told you, there was a deep emotional relationship between Bruno and narrator's wife. That's why she wouldn't eat anything. Now we will see what was the condition of Bruno at the Jew. Then she wrote a number of letters to the curator. How was Baba? Back came the replies, well, but fretting, he refused food too. He refuses food too. Means Bruno was not eating anything, just like narrator's wife. After that, friends visiting Masur were back to make a point of going to the Jew and seeing how Baba was getting along. So the condition of narrator's wife and Bruno was not good. Bruno was unhappy. Bruno did not eat anything. There is the same condition of narrator's wife. Narrator's wife didn't eat anything. Both were upset. Both were sorrowful. Okay. Both had a desire to meet each other. Family members had a desire to see Bruno. How was Bruno living there? There means at Jew. Seeing how Baba was getting along, they reported that he was well, but looked very thin and sad because Baba was away from narrator's wife and family members. All the keepers at the Jew said he was fretting. So here we see the reaction of Bruno when he was kept away from the family members, especially narrator's wife. For 3 months, I managed to restrain my wife from visiting Masur. So here you see, narrator was successful in keeping his wife away from Masur for 3 months only. But what was the condition of narrator's wife and what was the condition of Bruno? Or you can say the condition of Bruno made narrator's wife unhappy. Bruno has become thin and he was sad also. Then she said one day, I must see Baba. Narrator's wife said, I want to see Baba. Either you take me by car or I will go myself by bus or train. So this was the statement given by narrator's wife. She said, if you take me to the zoo or I will go to the zoo by myself. So I took her by car. So finally they visited the zoo where Bruno was kept. Next you see the bond of love continues. Friends had conjectured formed an opinion by guessing. Friends were giving their opinion when narrator's wife was going to meet Bruno at the zoo. What were their opinion? What were their guesses? We will see. I had thought so too. Friends thought that the bear would not recognize her. That was the guess of the family member. That was the guess of friends. I had thought so too. Means narrator also believed that Bruno would not recognize his wife. But while she was yet some yards away from his cage, Baba saw her and recognized her. So, what was the opinion of friends? What was the opinion of narrator? It was wrong. Bruno recognized narrator's wife. He howled with happiness. He cried with happiness that narrator's wife had come, because Bruno had developed a sort of deep emotional relationship with narrator's wife. She ran up to him, petted him through the bars, and he stood on his head in delight. So when the meeting took place between narrator's wife and Bruno, both became happy. So after this meeting, both became happy. For the next 3 hours, she wouldn't leave that cage. She gave him tea, lemon, cakes, ice cream, and what not. Means what Bruno used to eat at narrator's home, the same things were provided by narrator's wife to Bruno. Then closing time came. We had to leave. We had to get away from Bruno. So the condition of narrator's wife became worst. She was unhappy. She was feeling uncomfortable. She did not want to leave Bruno at any cost. My wife cried bitterly. Baba cried bitterly. Even the hardened curator and the keepers felt depressed. Meaning is this: all the persons who were near the Jew, all were influenced after seeing the scene before them. And what was the scene? The departure between narrator's wife and Bruno. As for me, I had reconciled myself to what I knew was going to happen next. So, after this, narrator had decided to do something. I knew was going to happen next. He knew what is going to happen next. Narrator had decided because he had seen the deep relationship between mother and Bruno, means Bruno and his wife. Next you see, she asked the curator, "Oh, please, sir, may I have my Baba back?" Means she wants to take Baba back to her home. Hesitantly, he answered, "Madam, he belongs to the Jew and is government property now." The he answered means who answered? Curator answered. He belongs to the Jew, now he is government property. I cannot give away government property. But if my boss, the superintendent at Bangalore, agrees, certainly you may have him back. So here you see one question was put up by narrator's wife to the curator. She asked curator, can she take away Bruno? Then curator said, now Baba is a government property, so I cannot give you. But if my boss, that is the superintendent, agrees, then you may have him back, no problem. So curator has given the solution also. There followed the return journey to Bangalore and a visit to the superintendent's bungalow. So finally they met. Superintendent are tearful, pleading, Baba and I are both fretting for each other. We were missing each other. We can't live without each other. That was the condition of narrator's wife and Bruno. So they were requesting superintendent that you give us consent, you give us permission to take away Baba. Will you please give him back to me? He was a kind-hearted man. Means who was a kind-hearted man? That is superintendent. Superintendent was a kind-hearted man and consented. He at once gave his consent. He immediately gave his permission to take away him. Him means Baba. Not only that, but he wrote to the curator telling him to lend us a case for transporting the beer to Bangalore. So finally, narrator's wife got success in getting Bruno or Baba back. So here in this section we have seen the emotional relationship between Baba and narrator's wife. When they were separated, they didn't eat for several days. Baba had become thin. He was sad. because he was away from narrator's wife, and same was the condition of narrator's wife. So when they met Baba at zoo, they at once decided to take Baba back home. So they met superintendent. Superintendent agreed. Finally, the Baba was taken away from the zoo. तो इस पूरे सेक्शन में हम देखते हैं कि बाबा और नैरेटर्स वाइफ के बीच किस तरह का इमोशनल रिलेशनशिप है। जब बाबा मैक्सिमम टाइम चेंज किया जाता था तो लोगों ने ये डिसाइड किया कि बाबा को अब जो है जू भेज दिया जाए। तो फाइनली कन्वर्सेशन हुई और वाइफ भी तैयार हुई, क्योंकि वो बाबा काफ़ी बड़ा हो गया था, उसे घर पे रख पाना संभव नहीं था, इसलिए उसे जू भेजा जाना उचित रहा। और जल्दी से क्यूरेटर से संपर्क किया गया और क्यूरेटर ने कहा कि हाँ वो बियर को रख सकता है। इस तरह बियर जो है जू पहुंचता है। जब बियर घर से जू पहुंच जाता है या बाबा जब जू पहुंचता है तो नैरेटर्स वाइफ और बाबा की कंडीशन काफ़ी दयनीय होती है, पिटिएबल होती है। दोनों दुखी होते हैं क्योंकि दोनों ही एक दूसरे से काफ़ी दूर हो जाते हैं। कुछ दिनों तक दोनों ही खाना नहीं खाते हैं। फिर नैरेटर्स वाइफ कहती है कि हमें बाबा से मिलना है, तो फाइनली वे मिलने जाते हैं और दोनों के बीच जो है कि रिलेशनशिप को, इमोशनल रिलेशनशिप को देख करके सभी बहुत ही भावुक हो जाते हैं, इमोशनल हो जाते हैं। और नैरेटर्स वाइफ रिक्वेस्ट करती है क्यूरेटर से कि बाबा को उसे ले जाने दिया जाए। तब क्यूरेटर कहता है कि आप इसको नहीं ले जा सकती क्योंकि ये गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी है, लेकिन अगर सुपरिटेंडेंट हाँ कह दे तो आप इसको ले जा सकती हैं। तो इस तरह वो सभी सुपरिटेंडेंट से मिलते हैं, रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि बाबा को ले जाने दिया जाए। और सुपरिटेंडेंट भी काइंड हार्टेड पर्सन है, मैन है, वो तुरंत ही एग्री कर जाता है और इस तरह से बाबा को फिर से वापस घर ले जाते हैं। So that was the part which we have discussed here in this section, how Baba was taken back to home. Okay, thank you.